Hello everyone, today I'm gonna walk you through creating a website that connects to the Pelagus wallet. This guide is designed to be a beginner friendly, but it's also a great starting point for those looking to dive into the Quai Network blockchain a bit deeper. So if you are not familiar a lot with coding, this guide should be fine for you. Before we begin, ensure that you have Pelagus Wallet installed into your Chrome or Brave browser. If you do not have the wallet, just go to this website and click download and set up the wallet. Then you can claim some Quietestnet tokens there. Once that's done, we can move on to downloading Visual Studio Code. With Visual Studio Code installed, we're gonna create a brand new HTML file. Then we should use the basic structure. Let's check it out here. Here we go. It's not working because we need a HTTP server. Then press enter and then run HTML server. Here we go. Let's reload the page and here we go. We can start there. Let's inspect the code. This console should help us to debug the code. First of all, we need to create a button. When you click on the button, you will be able to connect your wallet. Here we go. Then we need to add wallet address. So let's check it out. Here we go. Here is connector button and here is the wallet address. Let's go ahead and start scripting. Here we go. Now we will write the code for the button. This script waits for the user to click the connect wallet button. Now we check if the Pelagus wallet is available in the browser. Then we should send a request to the Pelagus wallet to connect and get the user's account information. If the Pelagus wallet is connected, this code takes the first account from the list of accounts and stores it. Then we should write the code that updates the text on the web page to show the connect wallet address. Here we go, let's check it out. Let's reload the page. Let's click connect. And it's not working. Okay, let's check the code. Here we go. Oh, we just connected already, so let's disconnect. Here we go, let's connect. Here we go, let's connect. Your wallet address is here is, and let's check it out. And yeah, we should add catch error. So this is pretty useful feature for debugging. And we're gonna drop this link there. Here we go. So yeah, if you have any questions and something like this, just jump in Quai Discord. I will be sure to upload this code to my GitHub repository so you can fork it, download it and run it locally and play with code so you can learn a bit more, I hope. So yeah, stay tuned for future guides or reach out to us in the Quai Discord and let's explore Quai. And thank you all for joining me. Bye.